Greetings dear traders, and you're watching the Daily Market Review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Ilyin. And our daily heading is dedicated as traditional to technical analysis of forex measures, and the first pair will be Euro and US dollar. So Tuesday's push below 1.3232 creates downside risk to 1.3163 at 1.3163. The March 27 reaction high at 1.3385 has become a technical bull failure. Although a break below the March 22 higher low at 1.3133 is required to provide confirmation, which in turn would bring the focus onto the base of the short-term bull wave at 1.3004. Single print resistance on Tuesday's market profile exists up to 1.3298, and only above that would leave the tone, opening 1.3329. Weekly chart of Euro and US dollar trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Japanese yen. Projected resistance at 83.03 is under threat, as US dollar bulls look to strengthen Tuesday's low at 81.55. The 81.55 low is expected to become a significant bear failure low, and a push above 83.03 and Monday's high at 83.31 would put US dollar bulls in control. Weakness will attract support while above 82.41 and only below 81.89 would concern US dollar bulls. Let's see, weekly chart of US dollar and Japanese yen trend is range. Next pair, analysis of Great Britain pounds and US dollar. The 1.5830 and 40 support area is under threat. Following Tuesday's weakness, the push below 1.5909 leaves Monday's 1.6062 peak isolated, and the orthodox higher low at 1.5802 on March 26th has become the main focus of attention. The structure of the short-term Great Britain pound uptrend will become unstable should 1.5802 yield, creating additional downside risk to 1.5745 and 1.5599. Keeping 1.5802 intact would question the bear tone, and regaining ground above 1.5968 is required to give Great Britain pound bulls a boost. Let's see, and according to this analysis, weekly chart of Great Britain pound and US dollar trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. Tuesday's strength suggests further gains towards the March 22 lower high at 0.9179 is on the cards. Monday's low at 0.9002 has been significantly strengthened, and a push above 0.9179 would provide confirmation of US dollar bear failure at 0.9002. Weakness will attract support while above 0.9045 and only below 0.9022 would concern US dollar bulls. Weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is bearish. Okay, next pair, Australian dollar and US dollar trend. So, the push into fresh 11 weeks lows below 1.0305 creates downside risk to 1.0258 and 1.0205. The break below 1.0305 effectively confirms last week's long-term bull trendline break, and concerted weakness will expose 1.618 Fibonacci extension target at 1.0071. A recovery above 1.0369 is required to provide respite. Although Tuesday's bull failure high at 1.0465 suggests upside risk is limited. Weekly chart of Australian dollar and US dollar trend is bearish. Yes, my dear traders, that's all for today. It was me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lee. For more additional information, you can visit our website www.grandcapital.net. In the end, I want to wish you a lot of good luck and fair trades. Bye.